Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video, guys, this is my second video of the AG1003. In this video, in my previous video, you saw how we create a simple storage account and configure the redundancy in Azure portal. And this is my second video in AG1003 series, and in this video, guys, we are going to learn how we configure or create a storage account with high availability. And how we configure the anonymous access. How we configure the anonymous access for your public access. Then how we create blob storage container. And how we enable or configure soft delete. And restore deleted information, and then how we configure the versioning. So these five labs or five things we are going to learn from the Azure portal. So switching back to my portal. So first of all, I am going to configure or create a storage account, which I have actually in previous one, that the account which I created, I have deleted that one, and I am going to create a new one. So you know how to create a storage account. So give a name. As you know that you have to specify a unique name when you create your storage account. Select your region closer to your office, closer to your home. So I am going with the Central India, and from here, if you look at this, you have the redundancies which you can configure according to your requirement. Now the name that I am going to use is public access. So I just use to just have a unique global unique name. Now you need to select your performance tier and select your redundancy, and you see this checkbox, it is for making your read access. Okay, so now this will be like, this is GRS. If I uncheck this one, so this is GRS, and if I keep it checked, that means it is read access Geo-Redundant read access GRS installed. So going back, just clicking on the review and create, and you have other options also that you can explore. Now waiting for the deployment to get completed. It may take 1 to 2 minutes to complete, or even less. Now as you can see that deployment has been completed successfully. So now go to the resources. Here we are on overview. So from here you can check your basic informations. Now you see this property, default access tier is hot tier, anonymous access is disabled. So we need to enable this one. As you can see this, so enable this, and as you can see here, your TLS version, it is using 1.2, or if you want you can change, but the recommendation is the strongest one, which is the 1.2. So don't change this one if not required. And here you can see the access tiers, which you can change if you required. So you want to go for cool or hot, it's up to you. Large file shares is by default disabled. So if you have a file up to 100 TB, you can enable this one. Save the changes. And if you go here, security and networking, if you click on the networking, you can see here public network access enabled from all network. If you want to specify custom network settings, you can do it here also. And if you don't want to allow anyone, you can disable this setting. Network routing, you can define you want Microsoft Network routing or you want to go for the internet routing. By default we are using Microsoft routing. Now once you have done this one, these settings, let's go to the under the data management. If you click on the redundancy, you can see this RA-GRS, read access Geo-Redundant Storage. Now in my previous video you saw that if you want to change, you can change between. And there are total 6 storage redundancy available. 6 type of redundancy is available which you can use. Now we need to configure configurations. Here you see this under the secure settings, we have the configurations. So you can change your anonymous access right from here also. We did it from here. So blob anonymous access, you want to configure or not? So we have already enabled it, but it's showing disable. It takes a bit time. So refresh the page and it will show you the latest status. You can see that, or if you want you can change the settings from here also. So guys, we saw how to create storage account and enable the configuration settings, and also we saw how we enable anonymous access on blob storage. Now we are going to see how we create the containers and how we apply the anonymous read access. So in this video guys, we just configured these 2 settings. Okay, and in next video I will configure these 3. Okay guys, so till then, bye bye, and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep updated. Thank you guys. Have a nice